Hello students, this is the third and last part of our second semester's fifth poem Ozymandias, which is written by Percy Bysshe Shelley. So page number 115, first line. Now listen carefully. And on the pedestal it means the base on which the statue is mounted. And on the pedestal, these words appear. My name is Ozymandias, King of Kings. So, the traveler is telling to the poet that below that statue there was a pedestal. It means the base of that statue, and there was written, "My name is Ozymandias, King of Kings." So that statue was the Ozymandias statue, and Ozymandias was a king of kings. It means he was a great king, but after all, he was also died there. His kingdom also ruined there, destructed there. Look on my work, a mighty. A mighty, it means a. There are two meanings. Old form of the, or second meaning is a, it means you. Mighty, it means powerful. And despair. Despair, it means to lose all hope. Look on my works, a mighty, and despair. So, after that there is written that look on my work. It means the king, great king, Ozymandias, trying to tell all the people that look on my work. I did many things. I was a powerful person, but finally I lose all my hopes of being alive. Nothing beside remains. So after some time, nothing remains behind you. You have to come in this world, and after some time, after passing some time, you have to leave this world. Round and decay. Decay means destruction or end. Round decay of the colossal it means enormous or very large. Wreck, wreck it means destruction. Boundless, means without limit. And bare, it means uncovered. The lone, lone it means solitary or lonely. Level, sand stretch far away. So round and decay of the callous wreck. So there was a massive kingdom the king Ozymandias were having, but everything was destructed, everything was ruined, everything was decayed. But only boundless, unlimited, without limit and bare, uncovered sand remain there, and everything destructed, just remain only sand. So in this way, don't pride on yourself, your own achievement excessively, because that is going to end after some time. So this the poet is trying to tell us that nothing is going to remain in this world. Everything is temporary, nothing is permanently. Someone comes into this world, take births into this world, and after some time he had to leave this world, he had to die. So don't pride on anything, because nothing will come with you after death. So in this way, this poem ends here. We are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you.